Hello friends, welcome to our Stock Business News. And friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with the Persistent Systems quarterly results. So we already discussed about this company in our past videos, like IT companies, like which having artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoTs, and all these things. So the perfect one is like Persistent Systems, and today we are going to discuss in detail about its presentation. Sorry, and its overall view. So it is having major share on North America. 78% its revenue comes from here, and India 10% and Europe 8%. So number of things it is doing, like areas like healthcare, life science, banking, financial, insurance, and software, high tech, and emerging industries. So data analytics and artificial intelligence, see here, and cloud enabled enterprise modernizations also. Unlocking the growth perspective means. So next one is, if you observe here, the major growth of quarter on quarter and year on year, which is an extraordinary. It is moving beyond our imagination, friends, really. And if you observe here, about a PAT and EBITDA margins also very good. And next thing is, where we have to look here is clients. So continuously it adding large client count. So every year, every quarter on quarter, it is see here like 21, now 22. So one number again added to the existing, and it outperformed Nifty IT and Nifty 50, and only invested in this stock is enough. And one more thing is high FII holding stock, this one. So see here, as per revenue, quarter on quarter 9% improvement, year on year 34% improvement. So if you observe here, the numbers are clearly visible for you. And next one is like PAT 7% on quarter, and as year on year it posted like 58% as year on year. And stock also rallied very good, not a problem at all. And if you see here, like TCV and ACCs and total contract values, everything they are providing. And next thing is like we already seen about this thing, like they recently acquired a few companies like Fusion 360 and Shri Partners. So they are having like expertise domains in payment areas. So in coming days, we are going to see much more things in this payment area. And going forward, this cloud and digital operations also will be very good. See here, AI and machine learning and data analytics. So which is going to be a very very good company, friends. So this is how we are future generation stocks we are picking. If you observe and you watch our playlist, like future generation stocks like that, which are going to be a very very useful for you if you see there. So this is all about its results. So in my view, the results are in line and good, friends. If any dip possible, add more number of quantity to the existing quantity of your shares. It is going to be a multi-bagger. With the recent acquisition also, it's a positive thing, like digital payments and cloud migrations. So thank you very much.